The battle for Nanaimo's boat basin may play its next round in court. The Save Our Harbour Coalition says legal action could be the only remaining option in a bid to keep the waterfront marina public. The Nanaimo Port Authority has already signed a 30-year lease with a private company, but lawyers for the coalition say that deal would not hold water in court. CTV's Jet Bazzi has the story.
The fight to keep the Nanaimo Marina out of an American company's hands may be headed to court.
Absolutely, it's one of the last resorts.
The Nanaimo Port Authority is planning to hand over the keys to the marina to the Pacific Northwest Marina Group in a 30-year lease. Protection Islanders and commercial fishermen are protesting the deal, fearing the company will limit access to the boat basin.
This is a public asset that this Port Authority has no legal ability to privatize it, to sell it to a private interest without protecting the public interest.
The Save Our Harbour Coalition says negotiation hasn't worked, so it's turning to legislation.
In a situation where something needs to be done right away, it may be necessary to go to court and ask for an injunction to stay the lease or to stay whatever other action might be pending.
This Nanaimo First Nation is also opposing the plan and believes the deal violates the Douglas Treaty.
That issue alone could, in my view, guarantee that this matter is before the courts for many, many years to come.
The Port Authority says it has every right to lease the marina.
We spoke to our legal people, our letters patent, which is our procedures and policies through Transport Canada, and all of these parties have told us we can go ahead and lease out the marina.
Coalition members are battening down the hatches, preparing for a long fight.
And we're prepared to take the long haul if we have to take the long haul. This is an important part of our city. It's a part of our community. It's an important part of who we are as Nanaimoites, and we need to protect it at all cost.
The coalition has many questions about the deal and their future. It hopes going to court will give them the answers they need. Jet Bazzi, CTV News, Nanaimo.